sleeping bags, air pump. Oh, hey everybody. So we are getting ready for our camping trip over the weekend. While we're gone, I have a house sitter who is going to come and stay at our house and take care of our dog. So I thought today I would talk about 5 things that our family focuses on absolutely getting done every single time we have somebody staying at our house to house sit for us. Number 5 is making sure that we have an emergency contact list, and when we get it written out, it goes to the fridge with magnets. We also will have a secondary one in the house somewhere, and we will have a third one with us at all times. On the emergency contact list, we have every cell phone number for every adult that's going to be with us, the emergency contact number for the place that we're going. Yes, even Disney Cruise Line has emergency contact numbers for you to be able to reach people who don't have their cell phones on their cruise. That's another video. The address of the place that you're staying. If somebody's coming in my home, I'm gonna trust them with this information anyways. So I have all that information written out, stuck it to the fridge. I will have a secondary one that we keep, I think, usually in our room, and we'll have the third one with us on the trip. Number 4 is making sure that our little fuzzy booty here is taken care of while we're gone. So that means remember to stock up on all the basics before you leave. Make sure he has plenty of food. I also make sure that the water filter has been changed out so that he has plenty of filtered water to drink. Yes, you do. And we make sure that there is an extra filter just in case. But we usually change it out before we go anyways. Another thing that not a lot of people think of is, do you want a treat? Do you want a treat? Do you want a treat? We also make sure that we're stocked up on all of his favorite treats because he misses his people when we're away. So it should be important for us to remember to pack up all of his favorite treats. On the bed. On the bed. On your bed. All the way on your bed. Who's a good boy? Bonus fact to consider as well. If we're gonna be washing our bedding, somebody else needs his bedding washed too. So for our pup, that he has one bed in here in the living room with us, and he has a bed in his kennel with a blanket underneath it. So we also try to make sure before we leave town that he's gonna get a bath and be all clean, and all of his bedding will be clean as well. Number 3 for us is getting caught up on the dishes. As you can see right now, we're a little bit behind, but that's okay because we are gonna get caught up before we go. We still have a few days to go. Pretty sure we can knock all those out. Number 2 is to get the trash taken out. As you can see, we're actually a little bit behind right now. And we want that can empty before we go. That way if the trash can inside gets filled up while we're gone, they'll have this one they can dump trash into. So one of our priorities for today is to get this trash taken off. And always, absolutely always, number 1, we get the laundry caught up and wash everybody's bedding before we go. Especially the bed where our house guest is gonna stay. This is number 1 priority for me. So it'll be done Friday morning after we get up for the day. All the bedding goes in the wash and through the dryer before we head out on Friday afternoon. And that way all the bedding is fresh and ready for our house guests who are willing to stay at our house for us. So those are our 5 tips of things that we do every single time we have a house guest coming to stay at our house while we're gone for any kind of adventure. Speaking of adventure, I've got to get back to packing. That reminds me, if you go to Land and Key Dreams on Pinterest, you can find our complete list of packing that we use as reference for our camping trip that's coming up. We also will post any kind of packing references that we use and find helpful for all of our clients and all of our YouTube friends. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.